Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is to practice communicating your art. If you're a teacher, this comes fairly easily. If you're a senior student, it should come somewhat easily. But if you're just a student, you can still practice the communicating even when you don't have somebody to communicate to, such as a student or a Kung Fu brother or sister. But the idea here particularly is to practice communicating directionally differently than you ordinarily do. So if you normally talk about 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock, which is sensible enough, but practice using the terms east, west, north, southeast, and so forth. If you ordinarily practice it with either of those, perhaps you'd start by communicating towards the big window, towards the parking lot, towards the heater at the back of the room, or whatever it might be. And this is to develop the ability to communicate with varying types of students. Some people find an undue amount of difficulty, maybe hard to overcome kind of difficulty, with referencing the world spatially the way perhaps you find it easy to. And then you're not really communicating with them, and you're probably not doing much to kind of get over that hump or that chasm of or poor communication. So practice thinking of different ways to communicate where you're facing, or where some part of you is facing. You know, if my foot's facing here, or my eyes are facing here, or whatever. How might you communicate that? Maybe it's forward or leftward or port or starboard, I don't know. But give a practice to that so we can become more sensitive to the challenges people have with that sort of spatial geometry referencing. And then you're gonna be a better teacher. And if we can be better teachers, we're gonna leave a better art. And if we can leave a better art, we're gonna leave a better world. Thank you. Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán Tip. Tips really go a long way, and if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.